Welcome to Ateneum, the cathedral of Finnish visual storytelling, dressed in stone, soaked in oil paint, and humming with the quiet confidence of a nation that knows exactly who it is. This isn't just a museum, it's a declaration. Ateneum is what happens when a young country, fresh out of empire and barely past hunger, decides to articulate its soul not through conquest, but through canvas. The building itself is a flex, neo-Renaissance symmetry and mythological stone gods nodding down at Railway Square like they're judging your taste in culture. Inside, it's a who's who of Finnish art. Schjerfbeck, Gallen-Kallela, Edelfelt, every name a pillar, every brushstroke a data point in the story of independence, struggle, beauty, and frostbite. This is the museum that gave the world a Van Gogh before the rest of Europe even knew they needed one. It's where the wounded angel lives, not just Finland's most iconic painting, but a collective therapy session disguised as a boy dragging trauma across a marsh. Ateneum is elegant, but it isn't precious. It's where romanticism meets nationalism in a bar fight, and realism usually wins. It's also where generations of Finns learned what it meant to feel something and then sketch it with charcoal until their fingers hurt. Yes, there's a cafe. Of course there's a shop. But the real luxury here is stillness. The kind you can only find in front of a canvas that knew you before you knew yourself. This is more than a museum. It's an emotional infrastructure project, a place that doesn't ask you to buy, click, or scroll, just to stand still and look. And maybe, if you're lucky, feel seen.